Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to another video today. Today I'm once again joined by Sean, making regular appearances in my videos at the moment, but we're about to take out his beautiful Ferrari F430 that has been recently purchased. It's coming to the end of a Harwoods Track day. That video will be linked in the description, but yeah, we're going to finish the day by heading out in the F430, getting some impressions and yeah, having a good time.
I'm not very good at impressions. I don't do impressions, but yeah. Hi!
See, how you ended up in a Ferrari, I don't really know. Because when I first met you, you had the Mustang, didn't you?
Yeah, the 1965 Mustang Fastback.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then from there went on to the
Caterham 7, yeah, lives in Hong Kong now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then it was the R33.
Yes.
Which was the first video I made of yours.
Yes.
Then it was Gallardo, wasn't it?
The Lamborghini, yes.
Yeah. And now we're up to a 2008 F430. That's pretty...
Yeah.
Gone straight up.
Yeah, still got the R33 as well. And the Lambo, although I'm looking to sell the Lambo, so that's going to be finding a new home, hopefully. Just because this is better. And I've always been in the Lambo camp, so I don't know how I'm saying that a Ferrari is better, but it just is.
And this is a stock exhaust.
This is a stock exhaust.
It's not even a sports exhaust.
No.
And that sounds pretty amazing.
It does sound really nice. A lot of people bash the F430 for the way it sounds, but I think, to be honest with you, that's just like people seeing it on camera on YouTube, cars leaving, and when you're in the car it sounds totally different to how it sounds outside the car, like you're surrounded by the sound, and when those valves open up, I think it's the valves that do it. Yeah. It's the valves that make the sound what it is. Yeah, it's amazing. I love it.
F355,
and then it's the 360 because it got that really high rev range, but I don't know, it still sounds amazing.
You're a manual guy, really.
I am very pro manual.
Like the Gallardo is manual, the R33 is obviously manual.
Yeah. The thing is, when I bought this car, people were like, "Oh, I can't believe you went for the F1 gearbox," but at the same time, this was such a nice example in F430, and I really wanted to try the F1 style gearbox because it was way this car, they designed this car around the F1 gearbox. Unlike the 360 and the F355, they actually designed this car around the F1 gearbox. So, and you can feel that it suits the car, it suits the character, and also it's got a single plate clutch, which, you know, doesn't deliver as smooth as a gear change as say a 458.
I think it's more personality, it's aggressive, it's properly aggressive.
It's more aggressive, like you said, it adds character to that gear change, it feels mechanical, which you don't get that feeling on say a 488 GTB. Not to mention, the car in the same spec, with the same mileage and the same ownership and everything else, in a manual form, would actually cost you an extra £35,000. Now you could go and buy a R35 GTR for £35,000. So I took the risk, I went for the F1 gearbox, and I absolutely love it. And as I've said in my own videos, you know, I live in a really busy city, so to have that choice of being able to go
town, it makes it smoother, easier.
Yeah, to have that choice of going into auto mode and just chilling out.
Also nice on the motorway as well.
Yeah, I mean, you put it in comfort mode, it's quite economical, and it's relaxing, it's not hard work, it's not stressful.
So there we go then, we are now back from the ride in Sean's F430. I am stunned by particularly the gearbox and the sound. It's a very nice upgrade from your Gallardo, if I say so personally. Go and check out Sean's video for today. I don't know how often he's going to upload after this, but you can go.
Career on the go.
Yeah, exactly.
New career, haven't got time
to fund this somehow. So yeah, there we go then. Another video off the list with another one of Sean's cars. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very soon.